Without wasting your time, start the update as soon as possible using the possible fixes shown on the screen. So the first solution is to check the Wi-Fi connection. Browse something in the Safari browser and confirm you have a stable internet speed. If not, switch to a different Wi-Fi network or restart your router. Once everything is normal, try again. Sometimes a VPN is installed and running in the background. Disable it first, or delete the VPN profile or app from the iPad to force stop all VPN connections. Sometimes low free iPad storage will not allow the device to check for available software updates or start the installation. In this case, the installation process may fail with "an error occurred on iPad" message. You should always check the battery charge on your device, whether it's an iPad or iPhone. It requires at least 50% battery, or keep the device connected to a charger during the download and installation of the new software update. If the issue is with Apple servers, worldwide updates can slow down the Apple ecosystem as usual. In that case, I recommend trying again after a few minutes without frustration. If everything looks fine but something is stuck, force restart your iPad. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the power button until the screen goes black and you see the Apple logo. Now, unlock the iPad and check again under the software update settings. Here's how I fixed the problem, and now my iPad is showing the new update. But if it's still not showing, it could be because an outdated or corrupted iPadOS version was already downloaded on your iPad. In that case, you need to delete it first and then download the update again. Go to General and open the iPad storage option. Wait a few seconds until all types of data load, including the iPad software update. Tap on it and delete it first. Confirm the delete option, then go back to software update and re-download the update. This method worked for me. Some iPad users fix the problem by setting the correct date and time. A wrong date and time can create security issues. Go to the Settings app, scroll to General, and then tap Date and Time. Select the correct date and time, or turn on the Set Automatically toggle. If the problem continues with over-the-air updates using Wi-Fi, then download and install the new update using a Mac or PC. Connect the device to a Mac or PC using a cable. Then open Finder and locate the iPad in the left sidebar, and keep the iPad unlocked. Check for a new software update. Download it on your Mac or PC first, then start the installation using the Mac or PC. Windows PC users can use iTunes to update the iPad. These steps are very easy and the safest way to update your iPad without any errors. Please like to support me. If you have any questions, comment below and subscribe for new video updates.